What's the number one reason why you throw away these? Because it's broken. What's the number one reason that it's broken? Because of this switch. This switch is bad, so I'm going to just take it apart. What's the worst that I can do? Break it more? Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the switch component of a table lamp or floor lamp, any kind of lamp. I went and bought this. First thing I got to do is figure out how to take this apart. Most of the time, it's like kind of sort of screwed in or something, so I'm just going to kind of hopefully kind of just see if... Oh, look at this. So it looks like this is screwing out, kind of. Oh! Oh, well, there you have that. Looks like this whole thing kind of comes out. This is just some felt. I'm going to try to cut as little as possible. So when I look down here, I see what I've done, basically, is I have unscrewed this. So which should allow me to take this entire thing off. Now, this is the power that is fed through, and it feeds through here. So I think if I press into this and pull this, it will give me enough slack. Yeah, look at that. So all I'm looking for is enough. I think if I take this off, aha! Somehow I need to separate these two pieces, and I know that they separate because when I look at this, these are not pushed together, so they do come apart. There's no, how do you wire it together? It's got to be inside this area, so I'm going to remove this cap from this piece right here. It's harder to see because it's painted black. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. So I think what I should do is cut this, strip the wire, because I'll bet you it's very similar. Let's go ahead and take this apart. Okay. It looks to me like we have, this is a little different. So we're going to screw one lead in here. We're going to screw another lead in here. That's what it's looking like. So when you connect these, you have to be careful. If you look carefully, you'll see that this wire has some identifying ribs on them right here. Okay? And this one does not. It's smooth. So the one with the identifying ribs, according to this manufacturer, you want that on the silver screw, and you want the other one, which does not have ribs, on the gold screw. I'm going to have to reuse this because these threads are off. See that? So I'm actually going to have to keep this piece on. And then it'll go here. Actually, I could reuse this entire thing if I wanted to. I'll just use the switch part. It doesn't have to be gold. Same thing here. I'm going to reuse this. Push that in. Going to put this guy on. Okay, so now we have to put this whole thing back together. So I'm going to put that there. Got enough little pieces, huh? It's like that goes like that. Pull this where it needs to be. I need to get this little guy out of here. Just tightening it. Now I'm going to put this back. Moment of truth, let's plug it in. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to fix your lamp.